Hello, my name is Arin and I am from 12 Science 1. I'm going to make a vlog explaining about plastic waste. Plastic that we oftenly use for wrapping our food, disposable plastic glass, and so on, evidently can harm our world. Why? Because plastic is one of waste that difficult to decompose and need 50 to 100 years to decompose. Imagine this, since the first time plastic was found at the year 1862 till now, there are already tons of plastics that used. Maybe there's some that probably already decomposed. Because of how much people in this world, there's still a lot of people who don't understand how dangerous plastic is, and most of them still using plastic for their daily life. So plastic usage every year increased rapidly and made our world polluted. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the earth environment that adversely affect wildlife, wet habitat, and humans. Plastic that act as pollutant are categorized into micro, meso, or macro debris based on size. Plastic are inexpensive and durable, and as a result, level of plastic production by humans are high. However, the chemical structure of most plastic renders them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, and as a result, they are slow to degrade. Together, these two factors had led to a high prominence of plastic pollution in the environment. For example, plastic waste is everywhere in the ocean, and all the animals there, like turtle, eat them, thought that it was jellyfish or fish. The other thing that dangerous about plastic is the pollution that came out from the plastic particle that absorbed to the ground can do harm for the decomposing animals such as insects, bacteria, or worms. It also can cause water to be blocked and more. On the bright side, nowadays there are some rules. For example, at the supermarket, they are not allowed to provide plastic bag, and the buyer must have to bring their own bags. Not only at the supermarket, some of the restaurants no longer providing any plastic straw, and some people already buy stainless straw. It's not hard to find stainless straw. A lot of people sell those usually online. We have to save the world and use less plastic, slowly but sure. There will be less plastic, so we can save the world and clean from plastic. There are also some of the ways that we can do, which is recycling. We can recycling plastic waste to something useful. Other than making less waste, we also train our creativity and our capability of making business from what we are making. I think that's all from me for this vlog. I hope this can be useful now or someday. Thank you.